GreenRope's Back to Nature Youth Exchange was inspired by the Millennium Development Goals principles. The MDG are a set of objectives proposed by the United Nations as a possible path towards sustainable development. The solutions are focused on education, healthcare and environment, and they can only be realized if the economic, the social and the environmental sectors work together. The MDG ideas can be implemented in many ways. One of them is the fair trade system, which we discussed with the expert Carlo at the shop Bottega del Mondo in Lecce.
Questo è un progetto che da circa 6-7 anni stiamo seguendo ed è partito con grandi difficoltà e vede insieme una cooperativa palestinese di donne e una cooperativa israeliana di donne.
I think slow food and fair trade goes hand in hand, and our visit in the local shop here in Lecce made me realize this once more. And you think this is funny?
We rediscovered how to connect with nature through eating, thanks to slow food philosophy. We picked our own fruit and cooked all together our own meal, using locally sourced and organic products. A great part of the plastic waste produced all over the world ends up in the oceans. Marine life is highly threatened by plastic pollution, and one action to reduce this risk is recycling, even creatively. In the Plasticamente workshop, for example, we took empty plastic bottles and transformed them into useful objects or small toys. Rabbit Island has been declared a marine restricted area thanks to its unique wetland habitat that plays an essential role in birds' migration routes. After learning so much about plastic pollution, we decided to take action and clean the beach at Rabbit Island. In Palu de la Vela, biodiversity is preserved and nature is protected against the high rates of pollution from nearby Taranto. Here, wetland birds find the perfect habitat to thrive. We observe them during trekking, bird watching, and even canoeing proved to be a successful method, with many of us spotting flamingos on the bank.
I am an environment engineer from Hungary, and I'm really happy for this opportunity that I take a part this type of youth exchange, and I have opportunity to see the sea turtles and scientists who occupied with these tasks, and I really enjoy this time that we spent in the seaside, and I saw the scientists and I saw full and motivated work. So I hope I will have opportunity to see real time the sea turtles and to help experts to save them.